Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to draw the nose shape. So I'm going to show you this technique called the bow tie technique, okay? As you can see here, I got a guy wearing a tie, so this is the visual image I want you to have in your head. And then here we have a model. So if we wanted to draw his this part of his face, we're just going to concentrate on this eye section with the eyebrows. We're going to look at it real quick, and we're going to look at his nose shape and how it has a kind of a bow tie look in there. And just to help you visualize it a little bit more, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this picture here where we've already kind of outlined it for you, okay? So you can see where this correlates to what I'm showing you. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil, okay, and I'm going to draw a bow tie that kind of resembles that shape in the middle of the face, okay? Once I have that shape, I know where my eyebrows and everything connect to. So from here, I can now go back to my original picture, okay? Now we're going to look at how to draw it, all right? So we're going to go ahead and connect our eyebrows here. 1, 2, 1, 2, right? And then we're just going to kind of color them in, kind of fade them in here. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our eye shape here, which is going to go right here at the bend of the bow, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we put like a little separation over the top. And now we can see here that our nose shape will fit firmly if we do like this. And really just kind of copy the bow tie. We see that we have a figure that fits right nicely in with the shape of the nose. Okay, so that is how you draw the nose shape using the bow tie technique. You can try this at home a couple of times. I have a small one, a big one. I have like middle-sized ones. You can change them based off of how long you want to go. So let's say you want to draw a nose that's a little bit longer. Maybe we might draw this shape here first, right? And then we can just kind of visualize the side of the bow tie if we want. Okay, and then we can draw the nose in there. You see, we can do this one here. Maybe we got a shape that looks like this, and it's a little bit wider. So we might do something like this. Got a little shorter. And then we have our nose shape here. All right. Okay, so that's how you draw the nose shape using the bow tie technique. I hope that you learned something today. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.